Hi Nana, it's good to see you after a whole year in lockdown. Sanja, drago mi je.
I know about that.
Languages is the direct gateway to communities, to people, to stories that you might not otherwise have had access to.
My first trip abroad ever was to Austria. Back when I was a student of German. It was my first trip with a group, one-day shopping trip, and at the end of the day we realized that one person was missing. She didn't report back to our bus. So what did the group do? They said, you, Sanja, you can speak German. You should go to the local police and report a case of a missing person.
That's some responsibility.
I used my best German indeed, and I felt very important and responsible. And of course, it was a happy ending. This person just forgot about us and returned home by herself. But maybe it's a hilarious thing now. But thinking of it, maybe it was the start of a long journey when I felt I was going to be a mediator between cultures, between languages. This is what I do today as a translator, as a proud translator.
Languages are also a bridge. It's more than just fun. They're also really a way of communicating with cultures.
It really opens up a treasure box of culture, literature, of another mindset.
Yeah.
So it's as if you add a dimension to your personality, that you can see things from another angle. I
love the act of learning a language. I find it intellectually stimulating. I don't like the effect it has on my social life, but never mind. I find it an interesting, fun, intellectual activity. I love traveling, and I find that language knowledge, any language, makes the traveling experience all the more fun and all the more interesting.
I remember for myself I was very interested in learning Turkish because I'm half Greek myself, and it was precisely because of the differences that we have, but wanting to have a connection with our neighbours, and we have so much in common that it's really wonderful to be able to reach across.